The H Residence by Tariq Khayyat Design Partners, tkdp in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. The H Residence is an understated and innovative mixed-use project designed by tkpd in Al Safa, right at the heart of the Jumeirah district, aiming to redefine the concept of urban living. Combining a sophisticated retail and F&B area, featuring globally renowned names such as Cipriani, Nac and Maison Kitsune, with high-end 37 residential units, this low-rise development provides a human-scaled living experience seamlessly integrating with the local community and existing urban fabric. Replacing an old retail structure that has been a cherished destination since the 1980s, the proposed design has been met with initial resistance that soon turned into unwavering support. The community's patience and trust in the architect's vision have been rewarded. With a spacious 1,800 sqm public space strategically placed at the heart of the project and accessible to everyone. Surrounding the plaza, the apartments, townhouses, and F&B units offer direct access and stunning views of the central garden. One of the most distinctive features of the central plaza is its sloping design, which allows for a higher number of floors at the back of the building. This innovative approach also provides enough head height to accommodate a bridge connecting the two wings of the building. Moreover, the sloping design ensures privacy for the ground floor townhouses facing the plaza, while uniformly connecting the residence lobby with the main drop area at the back, enhancing overall flow and accessibility. The H's two wings are connected by a 30 spanning bridge, exclusively accessible to residents, serving as a prime recreational area. On top of the bridge, an outdoor infinity 300 sqm pool offers breathtaking 360 degrees views of the city's skyline, including downtown Dubai, the Burj Khalifa, the plaza, and the sea. Hospitality takes center stage on the ground floor, with 3 F&B high-end operators at the front. These establishments provide outdoor seating areas overlooking the vibrant plaza. The other half of the ground floor features 25 2- and 3-bedroom townhouses, each with a cozy front yard and a larger back garden with direct access to the plaza. The first floor boasts 8 spacious apartments, ranging from 1 to 3 bedrooms, offering smaller yet truly comfortable living spaces. Deep balconies provide privacy and sun shading, creating a serene and enjoyable environment. Specially designed vertical louvres adorn the facade, striking a balance between shade and natural light, while minimizing energy consumption for air conditioning. The H's understated design, characterized by the dynamic relation between the sloped plaza, arched wings, and sky bridge, stands out within Dubai's urban fabric. This project promises to breathe new life into the community, replacing an outdated retail destination with a vibrant communal hub that encourages social interaction in a busy part of Dubai such as Jumeirah, providing a much-needed green, shaded space accessible to residents as well as to external guests. Capturing the essence of the existing context with its thoughtful design and seamless integration of indoor and outdoor spaces, the H Residence by tkpd is set to become a new and long-lasting beloved destination for both locals and visitors alike, promoting inclusion whilst nurturing a new sense of belonging.